Hey data enthusiast, today I've got a lightning fast Power Query tip that will blow your mind. In this video, you'll learn how to access all Power Query functions at once. First, open Power Query Editor in Excel or Power BI. Now here's the magic. Create a blank query and in the formula bar simply type equal #shared. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. You've just unlocked the treasure of Power Query function. A single line gives you access to every available function in Power Query. But wait, there's more. If you convert these records into a table, you can simply search or filter any function you need to learn about. Just click on the function to see its description and syntax. It's like having the entire Power Query dictionary at your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newbie, this trick will supercharge your data wrangling skills. Give it a try and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Power Query tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.